Hello guys, I am Sham. Welcome back to the channel The Truth of India. Today we are talking about the brand new OnePlus 15R officially launched in India. This phone brings you huge upgrade, powerful Snapdragon 8 Generation 5 processor, massive 7400 mAh battery, 165 Hz display, and most importantly, the aggressive price tag. So stay tuned till the end. We'll discuss about the specification, pricing, availability, and whether you should buy or not. The OnePlus 15R start in India just 47,099 and offer performance comparable to the flagship phones above 70,000. Is it the best value flagship in India right now? Let's find out. OnePlus 15R launched in India on 17 December 2025 during a live event. Key launches notes sales begin from 22 December to 23 December, available via Amazon, OnePlus India website, and offline store. Launched alongside OnePlus Paid Go 2. It was available in three attractive colors: charcoal black, mint breeze, and electric violet. It will available in two model 12 GB plus 256 GB variant for 47,999 and 12 GB plus 512 GB storage 52,999. Bank discount up to 3,000 to 4,000 will reduce the pricing to 44,099 to 49,999. Let's talk about the display. The phone features 6.83-inch AMOLED display, 1.5K resolution, 165 Hz refresh rate, slim bezel, curved edges, and Gorilla Glass protection. This makes 15R one of the smoothest and brightest display in the price segments. Talk about the powerful processors: Snapdragon 8 Generation 5 chipset, 12 GB LPDDR ARP5 X RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, Oxygen 16 based on Android 16. This combination promises you faster app loading, smoother multitasking, better thermal performance, long-term efficient performance, and gamer and power user will love this phone. Talk about the camera power to the generation of photography through smartphone. And if you love photography through smartphone and also want DSLR like photography, then new OnePlus 15R brings you 15 MP main OIS camera and 8 MP ultra wide camera and 32 MP selfie camera. Video performance supports 4K recording at 60 fps and improved stabilization and night photography. And the highlight of this phone is battery power and charging. It offers you a massive 7400 mAh battery, 80-watt fast charging. Battery expectation up to 1.5 to 2 day uses and 0 to 100% charge in just 50 minutes. Why you should buy this phone? Buy this OnePlus 15R if you are a gamer, want long battery life, prefer a smooth and premium display, need a powerful performance for work and creativity, and want flexible features without paying 70,000 plus. Final verdict: the OnePlus 15 ticks almost all boxes: display, battery charging, processor, and camera. At the starting price, 47,099 is an excellent deal. A premium smartphone shoppers. So that the full breakdown of the OnePlus 15 R. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share with friends, subscribe the channel. And till then, goodbye for next tech review. Thank you so much.